In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your own face in Leonardo AI. By the end, you'll know how to guide the model with a portrait so it keeps your facial features while changing style, setting, and mood. First, head to the Leonardo AI dashboard in your browser and sign into your account. A stable connection helps, especially when you're uploading images and generating results. Once you're in, look for the AI image generation tool. It's the workspace where you'll compose your prompt, adjust guidance, and preview outputs. Next, find the image prompt or image guidance area. Depending on your layout, it may appear on the left side or along the bottom. Upload a clear portrait of yourself here. The better the photo, the more accurate the likeness. Aim for a sharp, well lit image with your face facing the camera, minimal shadows, and no heavy filters. Avoid group photos or obstructions like sunglasses. A neutral expression or a natural smile tends to translate best. Now, choose character reference from the guidance options. This tells the AI to pay close attention to your unique facial structure, not just clothing or background. With character reference enabled, the system prioritizes your eyes, nose, mouth, and overall face shape, improving consistency across different styles. If you see any strength or weight settings in this section, the default level is usually a good starting point to balance likeness with creative flexibility. With your portrait ready and character reference selected, type a detailed prompt that describes what you want. Be specific about style, clothing, setting, and action. For example, a cinematic portrait of me wearing a leather jacket standing in a neon lit street at night, soft rim lighting, shallow depth of field, dramatic color grading. The more concrete your words, the fewer surprises you'll get. Mention mood or lighting terms like warm golden hour, studio softbox, or film noir. If you prefer a painterly look or a 3D render, say that explicitly. Keep the core request short, direct, and focused. When everything looks good, click Generate to create your image. Give it a moment to process. Review the result and check the facial resemblance first. Then evaluate style and details. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt with clearer adjectives or adjust the clothing or setting descriptions and generate again. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. Remember to use your own photos and respect consent if other people appear in an image. That's it. Upload a strong portrait, select character reference, describe your vision precisely, and generate. Enjoy creating high quality, stylized images that still look like you.